everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest beauty and wellness tips. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of hair care and how essential oils can transform your hair care routine. Whether you're dealing with dry hair, an itchy scalp, or just want to promote healthy hair growth, essential oils can be a game changer. In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 essential oils for hair care, why they are so beneficial, and how you can incorporate them into your hair care routine for gorgeous and healthy hair. At the end, we will have a super easy DIY session where I will show you all how to make a hair oil blend with some essential oil mixed in it that you can all do at home too. So, why use essential oils for hair care routine? Essential oils have been used for centuries due to their natural healing properties. When it comes to hair, they offer a range of benefits, nourishing the scalp, promoting hair growth, and even helping with some common issues like dandruff, split ends, and hair thinning. One of the key reasons why people turn to essential oils is that they are packed with nutrients that your hair and your scalp need to stay healthy. Plus, because they are 100% natural, they don't contain any chemicals that can damage your hair in the long run. They are also great for balancing oil production, soothing irritation, and keeping your scalp clean and nourished. Essential oils are also very versatile. You can mix them with your favorite carrier oils, add them to your shampoos or conditioners, or even make a DIY hair mask or hair pack. Now let's break down the top 5 essential oils that are must-haves for healthy hair. Number 1 in our list is Lavender Essential Oil. It is one of the most favorite essential oils for aromatherapy. But did you know it is also good for your hair too? Lavender essential oils have been shown to improve blood circulation to the scalp, which helps in hair growth. It also has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, so it is great for maintaining a healthy scalp. Plus, if you suffer from itchy scalp or dandruff, lavender can provide soothing relief. To use lavender essential oils, you have to mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba oil and massage it into your scalp thoroughly. And you can leave it for 30 minutes to an hour before washing it out. Next up is Peppermint Essential Oil. This oil has a very refreshing and cooling sensation that works wonders for your scalp. Peppermint oil stimulates hair follicles and increases blood circulation to the scalp that can promote healthy hair growth. The tingling sensation it creates also helps unclog pores and improve hair density. If your hair feels thin or weak, then peppermint oil might just be the solution you need. To use peppermint oil, just mix a few drops to a carrier oil and massage it into your scalp. You will feel that cool, tingling effect almost instantly. Number 3 is Rosemary Essential Oil. This is the powerhouse of hair growth and is often used for treating hair thinning and to stimulate new hair growth. Rosemary essential oil also improves blood circulation like peppermint oil, but it is especially known for its ability to prevent hair loss and also slow down the graying process. It also strengthens hair follicles, reducing the risk of hair breakage. You can mix rosemary essential oil with a carrier oil or add a few drops to your shampoo or conditioner and massage your scalp thoroughly with it. Next we have tea tree essential oil. This oil is very well known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it an excellent choice to maintain a healthy scalp. Tea tree oil is great for anyone dealing with dandruff or an itchy scalp. It helps unclog hair follicles and gets rid of the buildup of excess oil and dead skin cells. Plus, its antifungal properties help combating dandruff-causing fungi. Now, last but not the least is Ylang Essential Oil. It is perfect for anyone with dry and frizzy hair or scalp. Ylang works wonders to balance the oil production on the scalp and can help with your dry and brittle hair. It is also known for its ability to improve hair texture and reduce breakage, leaving your hair soft and shiny. You can add a few drops of Ylang Essential Oil to your conditioners and carrier oil and do a deep hair conditioning treatment with it. Now, there's a big question. How to use essential oils safely? Now that we have covered top 5 essential oils for hair care, now let's talk about how to use essential oils safely. Essential oils are super concentrated, so you always have to dilute them with a carrier oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, almond hair oil, etc. before you can directly apply them to your hair or scalp. A good rule of thumb is to mix approximately 10 to 15 drops of essential oil in 30 ml of carrier oil. Also, always remember to perform a patch test before trying or using a new essential oil to make sure that you do not have an allergic reaction to it. And of course, avoid getting essential oils in your eyes. It's gonna be a nightmare. Now let's do a quick and super easy DIY session and make a hair oil blend with some essential oil mix that you can all do at home as well. I bought this Rosemary Essential Oil from the brand called Mystic Living that makes plant-based nourishment for our skincare and hair care products. It is 100% pure steam distilled rosemary essential oil. The net quantity is 15 ml and it's a new package, so let's open it. Such tiny and cute packaging. Next, for the carrier oil, I'm using this hair growth oil. The ingredients of this hair growth oil are amazing. So let us quickly run through it once. It has onion oil, argan oil, cedarwood oil, jojoba oil, amla oil, tea tree oil, black seed oil, brahmi, fenugreek, Ylang oil and lavender oil. I have one more product to use after the hair wash. It is a steam distilled rosemary water hair mist by the Mystic Living. Even this is a new package, so let's open it. Now all the products are ready, so let us start with our DIY session. For the DIY Essential Oil Hair Oil Blend, I am going to mix approximately 10 drops of Rosemary Essential Oil into the Carrier Hair Oil. I also have a Cinnamon Essential Oil and I am going to add another 5 drops of that as well. You can opt it out and add more quantity of whichever essential oil you are using. Mix it well and then gently apply it to your scalp and massage it nicely, paying particular attention to the hair base. Massaging your hair scalp thoroughly increases blood circulation and promotes hair growth. After applying it nicely, leave it for an hour or so. Then wash it off with shampoo which also contains a few drops of essential oil in it. After the hair wash, I will just simply directly spray the rosemary water hair mist onto the scalp and hair to keep it hydrated and refreshed. It also helps in aromatherapy. there you have it. Top 5 essential oils for your hair care and how to use them to achieve shiny, healthy and strong hair. Have you tried any essential oil for your hair care before? Please do let me know in the comments below which ones you have used or if you are going to try one of these essential oils that we have discussed in this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and be sure to share it with anyone who could use some hair care tips. Also, please connect with me on my Instagram and Pinterest handles too. Till then, stay healthy and take care of those gorgeous hair of yours. Bye bye. See you in my next video.